Live your passion.
You can be anything you want. You can achieve it if you just believe. Take you to a place you can be your true self. Live your passion. Live your passion, yeah.
Spray painters apply the right color and finish to cars and other vehicles to cover repairs or remove scratches and minor damage, making sure that the newly painted areas match the rest of the car. They remove grease, dirt, paint and rust in preparation for paint application using abrasives, solvents, brushes and sandblasters. They adjust spray gun nozzles and paint mixers in order to get the proper paint flow and coating thickness. They communicate with clients, employers and other employees to plan and execute painting jobs on a variety of vehicles. Some spray painters may need vehicle collision repair capabilities as well. High school courses in arts, mathematics and science are considered useful. Spray painters need to be physically fit and strong whilst possessing a good mixture of practical and creative skills, a good sense of timing and visual awareness, a high level of attention to detail and the ability to work under pressure and meet tight deadlines. Safety consciousness is of utmost importance as spray painters follow strict safety procedures for using hazardous materials. Spray painters need to have normal color vision and not have breathing problems. Training is offered at registered training institutions. Many vehicle repair and spray painting companies take in prospective spray painters to learn the trade on the job as labourers on car collision repair projects, selecting those able to follow instructions and who demonstrate talent and initiative for full apprenticeship. Amassing industry experience is of utmost importance in building resumes, as employers prefer well-experienced workers. Spray painters usually work regular business hours in paint shops and workshops or on client sites including road and rail bridges in conditions that may be noisy and fumy. However, they can also work long and unusual schedules based on the availability of jobs and the scheduling of projects. Shift work may be required when working as part of teams on major projects. Workshops attach significant importance to safety, and it is important for spray painters to adhere to such requirements. Spray painters typically work for specialist paint shops and car collision repair companies, industrial companies and joinery and furniture manufacturing companies making items such as cabinets and doors. Many spray painters are self-employed, and those with established clientele tend to earn more than their salaried counterparts. You too can live your passion and qualify as a spray painter. If you are creative and detail-oriented and have normal color vision and a medical record clear of breathing problems, you are a good candidate. This insert is brought to you by the Namibia Training Authority under its Live Your Passion advocacy campaign. To learn more about other technical and vocational career options, visit our website at www.nta.com.na. Live Your Passion is supported by the European Union.